Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to reset setting on iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go setting, and after this go to the general, and when you tap on the general you can see a option of transfer and reset iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new pop-up window you can see on your screen just like this. Here you can see a option of reset. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, there are several other options you may see, and just like this. Here just tap on reset all setting. When you tap on it, you can see it is ask for your passcode. Just enter your passcode or password and tap on reset all settings. Okay, and you can see your iPhone has been reset. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.